Nanomechanical properties, like stiffness and adhesion, directly impact cell and tissue function and play an important role in fields such as tissue engineering and nanomedicine. I'd like to introduce the CellHesion 300, a force-sensing instrument designed to study biomechanical parameters in living cells and tissues. CellHesion 300 is an atomic force microscope that allows the automated measurement of cell-cell and cell-substrate interaction forces. It can be easily integrated with advanced optical techniques like fluorescence microscopy and enables the precise correlation of optical information and nanomechanical properties. CellHesion 300 can be used to study the relationship between structure and function and the effect of mechanical forces on cells and tissues like bone and cartilage, important aspects in degenerative disorders such as osteoarthritis. CellHesion 300 provides label-free automated measurements under near-physiological conditions, morphological and nanomechanical characterization of challenging biological samples, combination with advanced optics for correlative multiparametric datasets, and statistically significant data relevant in biomedical and preclinical research.